Did you know that just a few minutes of meditation each day can reduce stress levels by up to 60%? Yes, you heard that right. That's a game changer, right? Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, and just downright happier because you took a moment for yourself. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the soothing world of guided meditation. This isn't just any meditation. It's specifically designed to help you find that inner calm and boost your positive energy. So if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed or just need a little pick-me-up, stick around because this one's for you. Let's be real for a moment. Life can get pretty hectic. Between work, social obligations, and just the everyday grind, it's easy to feel drained or bogged down by negative energy. You might find yourself constantly distracted, anxious, or even just too tired to enjoy the little things in life. Sound familiar? You're definitely not alone. Many of us struggle to carve out that peaceful space within ourselves amidst all the chaos. That's where meditation comes in. But before we get into the how-to, it's essential to acknowledge these everyday challenges that can feel so overwhelming. Now, here's the good news. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you combat those stressors and find that positive energy we all crave. It's not just about sitting in silence. It's about actively engaging with your thoughts and feelings to create a sense of peace. Research shows that meditation can lower anxiety, improve mood, and even enhance your overall well-being. Just picturing yourself taking a few deep breaths and letting go of that tension can be so freeing. So let's set the stage for our practice today and get ready to leave those worries behind for just a little while. All right, it's time to get into the good stuff. I invite you to find a comfy spot, whether that's sitting on a chair or lying down on your mat. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it out slowly. I'm going to guide you through a short meditation session that's all about inviting positive energy into your life. Let's really immerse ourselves in this moment together. Feel the weight of your body as it relaxes. And visualize a warm light surrounding you, filling you with serenity and joy. You're doing amazing. Just keep breathing and let that positive energy flow in. Wow, how do you feel? Remember that meditation isn't just a one-time thing. It's a practice that can transform your mindset and energy over time. Integrating this into your daily routine can really shift the way you experience life. Regular meditation can lead to lasting positive changes in how you handle stress and approach challenges. So keep this practice close to your heart and revisit it whenever you need that boost. I'd love to hear from you. How was your meditation experience? Did you feel a shift in your energy? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. And if you're hungry for more, check out our next meditation video to keep this positive journey going. Remember, you're not alone on this path, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content.